Positive thinking can be a powerful tool for motivation and personal growth. Here are some ways in which positive thinking can boost motivation. Optimism. Positive thinking fosters optimism, which helps you see opportunities rather than obstacles. When you believe in a positive outcome, you're more likely to be motivated to work towards it. Resilience. Positive thinking helps build resilience in the face of challenges. Instead of dwelling on setbacks, a positive mindset enables you to bounce back quicker and stay motivated to overcome obstacles. Focus on solutions. Positive thinking shifts your focus from problems to solutions. Rather than getting bogged down by what's going wrong, you'll be motivated to find ways to address challenges and move forward. Confidence. Positive thinking enhances self-confidence. When you believe in yourself and your abilities, you're more likely to take on challenges with enthusiasm and motivation. Energy boost. Positive thinking can increase your energy levels and motivation. When you approach tasks with a positive attitude, you'll feel more energized and ready to tackle them head-on. Increased creativity.